Dear students, what is a computer? A computer is a machine. Actually, machine are man-made things. Man has made the machine, and machine makes our work easy and faster. And the machine can be a sharpener or very big as the rocket. So, computer is also a very useful man-made machine. It helps us to do many things. It helps us to draw, to read, to color, to listen. And also it is a storehouse of information. We can store information and look information on it. And there are many ways computers makes our work very fast and easy. Okay, we'll now have a difference between, we'll see what is the difference between human beings and computer. Actually, human beings invented computer and human beings made it. Human beings made it capable for doing tasks. And how the computer is doing easily and quickly, all these is made by human beings, by us. But the computer cannot do its work its own. It cannot do its work on its own. We human beings and computer together, we have to we do the work. But if we do the difference, if we see the difference, what is the difference? Let's see. Human beings and computers. Human beings have good memory, but we forget the things. Computer never forgets. It stores many information and it does not forget. And we can do calculation but we are doing very slowly, human beings. But computers, they work very fast. They do the calculations, they draw, they color pictures in very short time. Human beings get tired of and bored if work for long hours. But computer does not get tired. Computer does not become bored. We feel good or bad. Sometimes we feel good, we be happy, and sometimes we feel bad. But computer does not. Computer have no feelings. We have thinking power. We have brain. But computer has no thinking power. What we tell computer, it does. So it is what it does, what is instructed to it. We can make mistakes. Human being can make mistakes, but computer does not make mistakes. If we give correct input, we will get the correct output. And human beings don't need electricity. We need what? We need energy. But computer needs what? Electricity. So, we and computer, human beings and computer have much difference. and we feel bored after doing some work, but computer will be doing the work. It does not get bored. Okay, now we'll go to the next topic. What is that is types of computers. First type is a supercomputer. They are very large. You can see in the book also supercomputers picture is there, and they do very fast. They are very fast, and where they are used. They are used in research and weather predictions, and also scientists work in supercomputers. Then another type of computer, that is desktop computers. Desktop computers, that is medium size computer, and that can be placed on the desk, and we can it is also difficult to take from one computer to one place to another. And also what is the example of desktop computer? PC, personal computers. Then comes another type, laptop computers. They are not heavy. We take the laptop computers here and there, no. So we can keep it also in our lap. That is why its name, laptop computers. So because they can be taken, we can take them from one place to another. So they are called what? They are called laptop computer. They are portable computers. They can be taken portable. They can be taken to one place to from one place to another, and they work in battery. They work on a battery. They need a battery, and battery we have to charge, and after some days we change the battery. It will be charged, and it will be charged. Then we do like mobile is charged. Then another type of computers we'll see, that is handheld computers. They are very small, and they are light also in weight, and they can be easily carried in our hands. They also run in battery, handheld computer. They are also called palm tops. Palm tops and PDAs, they are examples. They are the handheld computers. What is the full form of PDA? PDA stands for Personal Digital Assistant. So we read so many things. Now we'll see what we read. Computers work very fast and can do a lot of can store a lot of information. Computer is a very useful machine made by us, made by the man. And machines are all man-made. All the machines are made by man. And computer never gets tired, never gets bored. Computers can't feel, can't think. Computers work as per our instructions. Computers are of different size, and desktop computers are not portable, but laptops, handheld computers, they are portable. So with this we have discussed the full chapter, and I have given you also the exercise questions. You will see that and you will discuss. Thank you, students.